Hello, welcome to Sounds Violin class. Let's have some fun together. Today I would like to teach everyone how to play D major 2 octaves. So what we need to do is to have our metronome ready at 60 BPM. First, I will start with a quarter note. Okay, so basically it's 1 click per note. Okay, and no vibrato. Okay, ready, go. So I played every note kind of sound more like a staccato. It gives a little more clarity. So I would like to make sure you practice each note separately so you have a little break in between each note. Now what we're gonna do is gonna play in eighth notes, which means 2 notes per click. Okay, we're gonna do slur, 2 notes per bow. Ready, go. For beginner learners, I would highly suggest to use a tape for the 3rd finger, which is first finger in 3rd position. I think it will help you to play more in tune. Okay? Hope that helps. Divide your goals into smaller steps and keep on practicing, always.